Saturday morning, jumped out of bed, put on my best suit, got in my car, raced like a jet, all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl, marry you.
What's up?
Anyway.
Coming from you live, first period. This is Logan Calvert with your afternoon announcements. I just need y'all to know it's January 22nd and it's still winter, so it's cold, so wear a winter coat. That's what's up.
Your quote of the day today is, don't ask what the meaning of life is, define it.
Here at Sydney I, we have parking restrictions. Students should only park at the...
Can I park in the front, like where the attendance is?
No,
Can I
students...
park it over by by the cafeteria, Mr. Skeen's room and that?
No, you
Can I
can...
park in the back where the buses come through?
No, you can't. You can park in...
Northwood? Can I go to Northwood?
I mean, if you want to park at Northwood, you can park at Northwood, but you should probably park there
Can I
at
park
the student parking
in
lot.
between Emerson and the high school?
Yeah, you can park between Emerson and the high school.
But tonight's sports we have bowling at Greenville. We got some wrestling at Piqua.
I need everyone's attention who is 16 years old and weighs approximately 110 pounds or more. Did you know that the next blood drive of the year is February 3rd, starts at 8 a.m. and runs till 1 p.m. in the small gym? Now, this is very important because if you donate more than 3 times, then you can get a red cord for graduation. So you need to run on down to Mr. Bickle's room, register with him, or get on www.donortime.com. Our staff and student registration code is 354. So, if you're not down in the small gym, February 3rd, you're not doing something right. Donate for a good cause. Give it up. Let's do this.
Track lifting will be from 4 to 5 every Monday and Wednesday.
Hey guys, it's Sat Native John reporting to you live from relatively but not uncomfortably close to the girls' bathroom. We have yearbooks on sale for $60, so go pick one up.
Hey guys, I don't know if you know this, but Mrs. Nikolai is up for a freaking $8,000 challenge. So if you go and vote once a day on www.foletchallenge.com, search Sydney, type in your email address, put in the registration pin, and the next thing you know, boom, one more vote for us. So why don't you go ahead and do that if you haven't done it today. And tomorrow morning when you wake up, do it again.
Your trivia question of the day is, how many protons does oxygen have?
Attention to any fast pitch player, you can pick up your hitting schedule from the athletic office. Hitting this week will start at 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock today. And if you're not in any fall or if you're not in any winter sport, then you have to be there at the hitting practice. Be there.
The latest edition of the SHS Scholarship Newsletter is now available. There are tons of new scholarships. Make sure you take a look at this newsletter and share the information with your parents.
Attention FCCLA members, please stop in and see Miss Werntz or Mrs. Ogg this week if you would like to help take orders for ice cream sundaes next week during lunch.
The answer for today's trivia question, which was how many protons does oxygen have, is 8.